but I won't let you go without a fight. On my mind, on my body, on my...
Hey guys, so today I want to take you to Cecelia's in Norwich, which is a couple of hours from central London. May or may not have heard of it if you're not from England, I don't know. But through a bunch of different people's Instagrams, I came across this place. It's like a bar, but during the day they actually let you hire it out for photo shoots, which is really cool. It just seemed to have everything that I kind of wanted for a type of photo shoot, especially in England where we don't get much sun. The summer's super short, so this was great. We got to do like a really cool like summer themed, well, to be honest, a bunch of different themes really, but I'm gonna dive into that in this video and show you guys what we got up to. Kind of like have your hand in your head like that. It's pretty cool. Just chilling, taking it easy. Yeah. We had like 2 hours, so we just wanted to kind of move around and just get as many outfits as possible, as many different looks as possible. And then we moved on to one of the main rooms, which had these lovely swings that had like the flowers kind of interwoven in them.
Oh my god, that's fucking sick!
Hey, we're getting it. We are getting it.
Who is she?
Then we moved to the downstairs bar, which was also really cool. We got a few different shots here. Main thing to note about this place is it is a bar. It's not a photography studio. So like, lighting was a challenge. You'll notice that the lighting in all these pictures is very inconsistent, and I did switch up a lot. I kind of went from using my flash to my LEDs, and then back again, and I'm still kind of figuring out like the whole lighting stuff, so I never really know what I'm doing, to be honest. Slight touch to your left, and then bang in the middle, yeah. This room was super cool. Outfit was killer. We called it like mob wife, like proper Italian mafia wife, like just bougie as fuck. This kind of like candy spiral wall was sick. It was good because it was just a ready-made frame for the images, which was sick, so that was cool. Used my trusty prism on a few of the shots just to kind of like mess with the lighting a bit and kind of get some cool reflections going on. But yeah, that was Cecelia's in Norwich. Thanks so much for the team for having me down there. That was really cool to shoot there. And obviously thank you to Ayesha for being an awesome model in this. She also stars in my new music video / short film, which is coming out April the 3rd. So all the info on that is out on like my other channel, which is more music based. But yeah, gonna probably like talk about that a little bit more as that comes out with stuff. So yeah, thank you to her for being in this, and thank you to you guys for watching. Yeah, leave your comments down below. What was your favorite image? What were you feeling? And yeah, I'll leave the details for Cecelia's down there, because I think they just take bookings. Like, it's pretty much like during the week when the bar's like not open. So yeah, I'll leave the info for that below for you guys to hit up. I've been Arthur. Thank you again for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. Too sweet.
Fly on my